short speech on International Nelson Mandela Day, 18th July. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we celebrate International Nelson Mandela Day, honoring a great man who worked for peace and equality. Nelson Mandela, also known as Madiba, fought against unfair treatment in South Africa and spent 27 years in prison for his beliefs. Despite his hardships, he chose to forgive and unite people, becoming South Africa's first black president. This day reminds us to do good deeds, big or small, to help others by giving just 67 minutes of our time. We can make a positive change in our communities, just like Mandela did for 67 years. Let's remember Mandela's word. It always seems impossible until it's done. Let's be kind, help each other, and work for a better world. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching this video.